Welcome! Today we're diving into the art of crafting a delicious and healthy smoothie bowl. It's the perfect way to kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast packed with flavor and nutrients. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your base. Begin by selecting your base. Use frozen fruits like bananas, berries, or mango. Add a splash of yogurt or plant-based milk for that creamy texture. Blend it all together until smooth. Step 2. Add extra flavorings. To enhance the taste and nutrition, incorporate ingredients like honey, chia seeds, or protein powder. Blend again until everything is well mixed. Step 3. Pour and decorate. Now pour your smoothie mixture into a bowl. Here's your chance to get creative. Top it with your favorite ingredients: fresh fruit, granola, nuts, seeds, or coconut flakes. Let your creativity shine through your presentation. Step 4. Enjoy your smoothie bowl. It's time to indulge. Enjoy this flavorful bowl as a nutritious breakfast or a healthy snack. Packed with energy-boosting nutrients, it'll keep you energized all day. And that's how you make the perfect smoothie bowl. We hope you enjoyed this tasty and wholesome option. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipe ideas and share your favorite toppings in the comments. Thanks for watching and enjoy!